2, 3. Hey guys, we're back, and I was going to show you guys how to create a collar tie for your little tiny house, all right? This is what we're going to cut. It's called a collar tie, and we're going to set these things inside of our little buildings like so to help reinforce the roof, okay? In class, we talked about these typically are a third of the way down the roof, and they are utilized to create either a cathedral ceiling, okay? We can use these to create a cathedral ceiling, or they're also used as additional support. If we're using a regular ceiling with ceiling joists, we may add these a third of the way up the roof if the roof rafters are exceedingly lengthy, or to add structure to the roof rafters, all right? So how we go about cutting these, in this project, what we're going to do, there's a way to do it mathematically, but what we're going to do in our project is we're going to take our level, we're going to put it up below our ridge board. If you recall, our ridge board's a 2x6 with a 2x4 rafter. We're going to level across from the bottom of our ridge board with our 4-foot level like so. And once we get it level, we're going to put a mark on our rafters on both sides of our rafter like so, all right? Once we have that done, we're gonna measure down from the top of the plumb cut of the rafter here, which is right here, we're gonna measure down to our mark here, is what we're gonna do. We're gonna snap a line. So I'm gonna do it on this side since we already did it on this side. So now I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna measure down to the mark I just made, and it says about 12.5 inches to the edge here is where we're at. So I'm going to measure down 12.5 inches, put a mark over here, and I'm going to snap a line. So I'll put a mark right there with my crow's foot, put a nail in here, hook my chalk line to it. I'm going to hook my chalk line with my nail. So, or you get someone to hold it in your team if you'd like. We're going to measure down here the same distance, 12.5 inches. And we're going to snap our line across here, like so. Now that we have the line snapped, we're going to set our collar ties. We're going to do this on both sides of our roof. We'll do it on this side, and then we'll do it on this side of our roof. After we do that, we can take a blank piece of 2x4, sit it up there on our marks, like so. We're gonna have to get a partner. You're gonna mark the back side of your ceiling joist on both sides, okay? So you're gonna get you're gonna end up with a mark like this, and the mark on this side when you mark both sides of your ceiling joist. After you mark it, you're going to take your portable circular saw, all right, your portable circular saw, and you're going to cut a miter that looks like this, okay? This will be what your collar tie looks like once you're done cutting it. After you're done cutting it, you're going to install it with 3-inch T25 Torx screws to your rafters, okay? So we're going to put one on our project on every single rafter to get some practice here doing it all the way down. And you're going to set those and make sure the top edge of it is on the string line that you snapped. Okay, does that make sense? All right, great guys.